Hello, for today's video I'll show you how to earn from TikTok using sound.me. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more update video. I've changed for the better this time. First, open your Chrome or any browser. Then type sound.me. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Next, you need to sign up here as creator. Select your country first. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody set your views rate for your income. Then click sign up as creator. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. Log in your TikTok account. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Then click authorized. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where you're now in dashboard of sound.me. Before you create video, you need to set up your details about yourself. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. Click setting and you can see the following you need to complete. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. If you have PayPal account, you have to link here for your withdrawal. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. If you complete all information, you can start create video and earn.